These are the daily video instructions for activity 1.4, Crush the Bug, Finding a Bug. Make sure you fill in the group member names of everyone who's in your group. You're going to open your MyPLTW course to complete the following steps. Once you have, here is your click chart to get you where you should be in the course. We're going to go from the left menu, Lesson 1 Blink, Activity 1.4 Crush the Bug, Finding a Bug. So let's go look at where that is. We're going to go to Lesson 1 Blink, Activity 1.4 Crush the Bug, and we're going to click on Finding a Bug. So we can check that off. Read the two paragraphs above the image. You're going to read these two paragraphs right here under Find a Bug, above this image. And then you're going to answer these questions about it. When you have, you can check that off. Study the image and discuss with your partner why you think it's not working. So we're going to look at this, okay? And as you read up here, it tells you what it should have been doing, okay? What it should be doing. But if it's not doing it, it's not doing it because of this code. You and your partner discuss why you think it's not doing it, and then answer these two questions right here. Then you can check that off. Then you're going to click Start a New Project in Make Code and make sure you're signed in, okay? I'm going to go to Make Code. I'm going to make sure I'm signed in right up here at the right, and then I'm going to click New Project, and we can call it what we call this, Finding a Bug. Okay, once the project has started, I want you to recreate this, okay? So go and find all of these codes, and I want your code to look exactly like this one. Once you have done that, we can check mark this, then and this, because you recreated a program by dragging the appropriate ones over. Now you are going to download your program to your microbit and test it out. Then you'll answer these questions. So we're going to come back to our Make Code coding environment, and we've made it look like what we wanted it to look like. Now we're going to click on Download, connect the microbit to the computer, pair, and if you need to, if it hasn't already, choose it from up here and click Connect. Mine won't show because it doesn't have one. Okay. It will now download to your microbit, and you will be able to test it out. Then you can go ahead and check mark that, and you're going to answer these questions below. What does the program do when you run it? What should the program do that it's currently not doing? When you have answered that question, please box up the microbit neatly. Remember, you can click here for a quick image of what it should look like. And then you and your partner answer the 3 reflection questions and submit this sheet in Canvas using the Google Drive tab.